In last lecture, we studied about Coulomb's law of electric force and its limitations. Today, we are going to know about permittivity of a medium. What is permittivity? Okay? What is permittivity? What is permittivity? Permittivity of a medium is the property of the medium which affects electric force between two charges when placed in that medium. Every medium is supposed to possess two permittivity. Absolute permittivity and relative permittivity or dielectric constant. K. Okay. Absolute permittivity is equal to the product of relative permittivity and the permittivity of free space. This is a Greek letter, epsilon. Permittivity of any medium is greater than that of permittivity than that of air or vacuum. That is greater than So the electric force between two charges decreases when the intervening medium between them is other than air or vacuum. Okay. Relative permittivity or dielectric constant. Just we have seen that permittivity, absolute permittivity is equal to relative permittivity into permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space is the least, and permittivity of any other medium is greater than that of the permittivity of air or vacuum. Or that's why from this relation we can find out the definition of relative permittivity as this. That is, relative permittivity is the ratio of permittivity, absolute permittivity to the permittivity of free space or air or vacuum, you can say. What does it mean? Relative permittivity. What is the ratio? What does the ratio say? The ratio indicates that or says that how much times the permittivity of any other medium is greater than that of air or vacuum. Okay, so relative permittivity has no unit, and for water relative permittivity is 80. What does it mean? It means that the permittivity of water is 80 times more than that of the permittivity of vacuum or air. And that's why the electric force between two charges gets reduced 80 times than that when 80 times in air in water than that in air. That is, if there are two charges placed in air at certain distance, then there is certain force of a certain force of repulsion or attraction between them. But the same charges, if the same charges are placed at the same distance in water, then the force is reduced by 80 times. Okay? The definition of relative permittivity can also be given in terms of the electric force. In terms of electric force, also we can define relative permittivity. In vacuum, F equals to, this is F naught equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, or permittivity of free space or vacuum Q1 Q2 upon R square. If these are the two charges situated at distance R, these are the 2 point charges situated at distance R apart. If the same charges are situated in a medium Fm, then the force in the electric force in that medium is given by this much, Q1 Q2 upon R square. If we dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get F naught by Fm equals to epsilon or permittivity of the medium by permittivity of free space. That is, and we know that this is the relative permittivity, that is F naught by Fm equals to relative permittivity. Thus we can define relative permittivity as the ratio of the electric force between two charges placed at certain distance apart in air to the electric force between the same charges when placed at the same distance apart in the medium. Okay? Thus what we can define? Thus is defined as the ratio of the electric force between two charges placed at certain distance apart in air or vacuum to the electric force between the same two charges placed at same distance apart in the medium. Now let's solve some numericals. Okay, and the question is calculate the values of two equal charges if they repel one another with a force of 0.1 Newton. When situated 80 centimeter apart in vacuum, 80 centimeter apart in vacuum, what would be the distance between distance between them if they are placed in a medium of dielectric constant constant 10. These are the two equal charges and they are placed at 80 centimeter, not 80 but 50, here it is 50 centimeter. So R is equal to 0.5 meter. They repel each other. These two charges are repelling each other by force F. F is equal to 0.1 Newton. Okay, you have to find out the value of Q. Let Q1 equals to Q2 is equal to Q. We know that F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught because the charges have been placed in vacuum. So Q1 into Q2 upon R square, or F equals to 0.1 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught The value of this much is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q upon 0.5 to the whole square, or 0.1 equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square upon 0.25, or 0.1 into 0.25 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9 equals to Q square. Therefore, on solving, we get Q equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay? Now the second part is in the second part we have a relative permittivity equals to 10. Okay? And R equals to what? Q1 equals to Q2 equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Now we have to find out the distance between them. Again, we know that F equals to, in a medium, when we are going to calculate the electric force in medium, then F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon, or absolute permittivity of the medium, into Q1 Q2 by R square in a medium. Here the force is same. Force is same force. F is already given here 0.1 Newton, or F equals to 1 by 4 pi relative permittivity into permittivity of free space Q into Q upon R square, or F equals to 1 by 4 pi permittivity, not 1 by relative permittivity Q square by R square, or 0.1 equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 by 10, because it is already given, into Q square is 1.67 10 to the power minus 6 to the whole square, and now R square. If we calculate the value of R, or on solving this equation, we get R equals to, on solving, we get R equals to 0.16 meter. Tomorrow we will read the principle of superposition of electric forces and some numericals related to this. Okay? Thank you.